Hello, my name is Eric Butler and I am the General Manager here at Kia of Everett, the home of simple, easy, and fun. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use your remote start. I'm going to show you how to use it through the app as well as on your key fob. It's super easy. All right, so let's go through the first way. Now, this is how I do it. In the morning, before I walk out to my car, I actually pull up my Kia Connect app, which actually gives me a lot of different functions. And what I can actually do is I can actually start my engine from there. Not only that, I can set the climate, so that when I walk out to it, it's at 80 degrees. My defrost is on, my seat heaters are on, my steering wheel heaters are on. Obviously, that's during the winter time. During the summertime, my air conditioning's on, my seat coolers are on. It's pretty awesome. So here, let me show you how easy it is. So I just take the button and I hold it, start engine, and it just lets me know to make sure your car is parked somewhere where it's safe. I hit OK, and it just says remote start request has been sent. And there it goes. Okay, so if you want to remote start your Kia with your key fob, it's super easy. Let me show you how to do it. Like my key fob, I just make sure that the car is locked because it won't remote start if the car isn't locked. I flip it over and there's a button on the back that just says hold. I hold that button, lock it, hold the button. Voila. All right, so now you know how to remote start your car. Whether you're using your key fob or the Kia Connect app on your phone, you can see that it's super easy. If this video was something that you like, please subscribe to our channel. There's lots of great content on it about your new Kias.